Today's lesson is about Sine Law. In any triangle ABC with the sides AB and C units in length and opposite angles AB and C respectively, shown in this diagram. Write down the three formulas of the area of the triangle above. We know the area of a triangle that is 1/2 AB sin C. So we can write down that it's 1/2 AB sin C. Also, I can write down 1/2 AC sin B. Or I can write down 1/2 BC sin A. For number 2, for the equation above, make it divided by 1/2 ABC and find the new equation. I divided by 1/2 ABC. Then I reduce. Then I organize. I will get this. Sin C over C equals sin B over B equals sin A over A. Or I can flip like A over sin A equals B over sin B, then equals C over sin C. We call this, it's a Sine Law. So for any triangle, we can write down A over sin A equals B over sin B equals C over sin C. This is always true. Here is a Sine Law. For any triangle ABC, A over sin A equals B over sin B equals C over sin C. Let's analyze in what situation we got to use Sine Law. We have A over sin A equals B over sin B. This AB is the size, so let me label as 2S. Look at the bottom. For this capital AB, that is an angle. So for the Sine Law, we are dealing with two sides and two angles. Let's compare to Cosine Law. For the Cosine Law, remember we have A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. So for this A, it's an included angle. When you have an included angle, or you are looking for included angle, then you got to use Cosine Law. But for Sine Law, make sure angle A or angle B, they are not included angle. So in what situation you got to use Sine Law, you can check whether you have an included angle. If no included angle, then you got to use Sine Law. What's included angle? Included angle are those angles whose sides are known. For example, if I know this is A is 10 and C is 9, then this B we call is an included angle. Since for this size we don't know, therefore this C are not included angle. For this C are not included angle. When you're working on any triangle, it's very important for you to decide which law you got to use. Write down Sine Law according to the given diagram. For this triangle DEF, we will label the side. This one is D. Corresponding to this angle E is E here. Corresponding to this angle F, this is F. So we can write down the sine law like this. D over sine D. Just corresponding angle, corresponding size. So we have E over sine E equals F over sine F. Let's go to example. Find the length of EF. That's basically it's D here. We need to figure out the corresponding angle to this EF will be angle D. As we know, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. Therefore, for this angle D equals 180 degree minus 40 minus 19 degree. So you get the 121 degree. We will label here as 121 degree. Then we know for this 16 corresponding angle is 19 degree. Therefore, we can write down the sine law. That is D over sine 121 degree equals 16 over sine 19 degree. Then we do cross multiply. D equals the same line with this variable D will go to denominator. So we have sine 19 degree. Top will be 16 times sine 121 degree. We will go to graphing calculator to figure this out. First of all, we will clear the memory. Second plus 712. And go to mode. Make sure change into degree. Then quit. So use this alpha y equals enter. We will do 16 times sine 121 degree over sine 19 degree. Then enter. Three significant figures will be 42.1 equals 42.1. Let's go to B. This time the angle is given in radian. We are looking for this x. The corresponding angle will be this angle P. So for the angle P equals, we will use pi minus 0.69 minus 0.3 equals. I will go to graphing calculator, do second power pi minus 0.3 minus 0.69 equals 2.1515 92654. For this answer, try to use full answers because this is the middle answer. It's not the final answer. So I will write down 2.1515. That's angle P. Then we can write down sine law. That is x over sine 2.1515 equals 10 over corresponding angle to this 10 will be 0.3. So I will do sine 0.3. Then we will do cross multiply. The same line with the variable x go to denominator. So you get the x equals sine 0.3. Top will be 10 times the sine 2.1515. We will go to graphing calculator. Alpha y equals, so have 10 times the sine. Then we will move arrow to the top and then drop down these full answers. Then go down, go to sine 0.3. Then enter. You will get 71.7 for x. Since this is the final answer, so I will get 3 significant figures. That is 71.7.